In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome back to English. Whether you've accidentally switched to another language or just want to revert back, I've got you covered. Let's walk through this process together step by step so you can swiftly navigate your Chrome browser settings and make the needed changes without any hassle. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll need to find the three-dot icon, which typically resides in the top right corner of your browser window. This icon opens up the main menu, and from there, you'll want to click on the second-to-last option, which is labeled Settings. It might appear in a different language right now, but don't worry, it should still be easy to find based on its position in the list. After opening the Settings page, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll need to select the Languages option, which, in most browsers, can be located as the seventh option from the bottom. Even if the text is in a language that's unfamiliar to you at the moment, its location should be consistent. Once you're in the Languages section, you'll see a button labeled Add Languages. This button is usually positioned in the first section of the page. Clicking this will open up a list of available languages. Your next task is to find English. Depending on how your list is organized, you might have to scroll through or use the search bar to find English quickly. Once you've found English, add it to your list of languages. Now that English has been added, locate the three-dot icon next to English in your list. Clicking this will reveal a small menu where you should look for an option that allows you to display Chrome in this language. This will usually be a checkbox labeled Display Chrome in this language. Check this box. The final but crucial step is to relaunch your browser. There's a button you'll see here marked Relaunch. Clicking it will close and then reopen Chrome, applying all the language changes you've just configured. After Chrome restarts, you should find it displaying everything in English again. And there you have it, a simple way to switch your Google Chrome language back to English. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate your browser in your preferred language, enabling you to work or browse with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.